Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk to you about cabochon. What is a cabochon? Cabochon is a word of French origin, pronounced cabochon, and is normally a flat bottom with a dome top. These can be made of gemstones. Here I've got a rose quartz, there you see, flat bottom, dome top. We have glass, this one, flat bottom, and resin. These are made of resin. Buttons. And you can easily make some of them yourself, which I'm going to show you. You can add them to jewellery settings. I'll also show you which. These are hair clips, earrings, and rings. Oh, and before I forget, key rings. There's so much that you can make. You can sell them as a cabochon or as completed jewellery. These make lovely gifts for family and friends. I love to receive handmade gifts. Also great to make for birthdays and Christmas. This is a clear cabochon, and it's 25 mm and made of glass. And all you simply do is choose a pattern. This is from some cards. You could use a photo, material, embroidery. And you choose, let's say I'm going to choose the crab. And then you would draw around and cut the circle shape, which I've already done to save some time. There we go. And then I actually use Mod Podge, which is matte, and it's a water-based sealer, glue and finish. I'll show you inside. There we go. And then take a flat brush, take some glue. Just do this up. I'm not actually going to do this now just to save some time. And what you would do is you would add glue to your picture or your photo, and then press together. And then allow to dry. I normally leave 24 hours. And then you can simply, once it's dry, you can trim if there's any excess around. And then you can, this is a setting, 25 mm setting, which the crab can put your image around, but however you want it to go. Then that's simple. That's one made. There's another one pre-made, which will go into the key ring. I'm just going to show some other things that you can make. Here is a pendant setting, oval pendant setting. Here's one already done. Again, you can use super glue. I prefer to use the Mod Podge. You simply glue in, and then you can add a necklace chain. very easy to make a necklace. These are ready-made chains, or you can buy a real chain and add a lobster clasp, which is what this is, and a jump ring on the end. We'll pretend it's glued in. We also have, I mean, look how pretty that is. You can make hair clips. These have 4 cabochons, and these come in smaller sizes. I think I do 10 mm, the smallest size of these. Here is a ring. Again, simply glue in. Allow 24 hours to dry. These are silver plated and alloy, which is great for a costume jewellery ring. And they just come in all shapes and sizes. Obviously this is not the correct setting, but we have squares. This is a very pretty one. This is actually a colour changing moonstone, and this isn't actually handmade by myself, because you can see it's, I can explain what those are made of later, but I would need to look it up. If I just heat it up, you'll see the colour change. These are ever so pretty. I do actually make some lovely rings, which I always get comments about. I will try to add a photo. One thing I did want to show is sometimes the setting, the necklace wouldn't fit through. So you would take this off to put it through, or another way is you would use a jump ring. This is a jump ring that has a small split. It's very hard to show the split, but you would take a pair of pliers. Don't do what I did and absolutely ruin all my nails. And you're not opening this way, you are slightly twisting like that. Can you see? Slightly twisting. And then your chain would fit through. And then you would add, imagine there's something in there. And then you would bend it back again. And there you'd have a necklace chain. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you could give me a like, if you wish to see any more videos, please subscribe. I'm just starting out. I am a complete beginner with technology and YouTube. So hopefully down the line, I will get much more better with my editing and filming skills. So have a lovely day. Thank you. Bye.